Hello, kids. This is Teacher Ed. Good evening. Now, our lesson for today is all about how the light travels and what are the objects that give light. Okay, let us begin our lesson for today. All right. So, again, the title is How the Light Travels. Okay. The first one, is it straight line like is it like that, the light? Is it zigzag? Is it curve? Let us see how the light travels, okay? Let us see how the light travels. All right. So Teacher Ed made an experiment. Okay? Let us see. These are cardboards. And in the middle of cardboards, there is hole. Okay? A hole. Let us see. Each cardboard has a hole. Hmm. So why Teacher Ed made this cardboard and holes? Let us see. Look. You can make that on your own as well. So let us watch the video, okay? I made the video for you to know how the light travels. Is it straight line? Is it zigzag? Is it curve? Let us see. Oh, do you see that? Do you see the light? Do you see this? Okay, look. The light travels like what? Is it straight or zigzag? The light travels. Let us see further. All right. Okay. So the light travels straight. Okay. Not zigzag, not curve. Okay. The light travels straight. Do you see? Okay. The light from my flashlight, okay, it goes inside of the hole. It travels inside and goes to the wall. Look, the light is here. It passes through the holes. So the light travels straight. All right, I think you understand now. So look, the light travels in a straight line. Again, the light travels in a straight line. Look, this is the flashlight. And it goes inside of the hole, the second hole, and the third hole, and then here is the light. Okay? Straight line. Okay. Now, let us move on with our next lesson. How do we see light sources? How do we see the light sources? Object that give light. Light sources. What are the light sources again that gives light? Okay, we have bulb, lamp, sun, lampshade, lighter, and then firewood. Okay? So we use our eyes to see things around us. Okay? Again, we use our eyes to see the things around us. Can we use our nose to see? No. Can we use our mouth to see? No. We can only use our eyes to see. Okay? Let us see. So how do we see light sources? Teacher Ed will explain to you. So the light source, it is direct to the eye. Look, number one is the bulb. The bulb gives light, okay? It gives light, high light. And then number two, this is the light. Okay, bulb gives light. And then number three, the eye receive it. Okay? Look, Teacher Ed will show you a flashlight. And Teacher Ed, look to the flashlight. So this is the cell phone. It has a flashlight. And then the light comes from the flashlight, goes to my eye directly. All right? Okay. So that is our lesson for today. Okay. Tomorrow or no, next meeting, we will study further. I will send the pictures that you need to draw and write online. Bye-bye.